Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this column we have to bring sum of sales values using SUMIF function. In this column we have to bring sum of sales values using SUMIFs function. SUMIF function will be used on single criteria and SUMIFs function will be used on multiple criteria. Let me show you how. Equal to SUMIF, press tab. Here we have to select range first. Select this column, complete column, comma. Now the criteria is this cell, comma. Sum range is this column, close bracket, and hit enter. Apply the formula for all cells. Now SUMIFs function is equal to SUMIFs, press tab. Now here we have to select sum range first. This is a column, comma, criteria range 1. Select this complete column, state 1, comma, criteria 1. Here select single cell. This one is the criteria 1, comma. Now criteria range 2. Select the complete column, comma, and criteria range 2. Select a single cell, this one, hit enter. Now apply the formula for all columns. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.